Hi there, folks. Check out this game I put together for you guys. It's called Collapse. It's made in Python using the Pygame module. Um, I used to play this game back in 2002 with my family and friends. We used to challenge each other so you could get the best score. It's a fun little game. It's all about clearing the screen. You're trying to get rid of all the tiles on the screen. Um, and as you clear the tiles, you gain more score. And obviously, the whole purpose of the game is to try and get the best score possible. This is one of my favorite time-wasting games. It's really for a casual gamer if you've just got a few minutes spare and you just want to have some fun and ultimately have some bragging rights with your friends. That's what we did. At the end of the day, we'd be trying to see who could get the best score the whole time, which was always a fun thing because then the next time someone logged onto the PC, and then they would see the new best score would be higher than what the score that they had originally, and they would really it would irk them, to say the least. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in my video series. I hope to see you following along, and hopefully we can build this project together. Cheers for now.